U.S. stock index futures, they're pointing to a lower open this Monday morning, pulling back from the mixed to positive finish seen on Wall Street during the previous session. Now, services PMI due out 9:45 this morning, followed by non-manufacturing ISM that's due out 10 o'clock this morning. No major earnings due to be released. While in the Forex market, the euro-dollar's where we begin, and that's under pressure. The British pound-U.S. dollar pair sees the bias remain bullish, while the dollar-yen, that's under pressure. Onto the Australian dollar-US dollar pair. It sees its key resistance at 0.7780, and that's in focus as the pair stands below its strong horizontal resistance, 0.7780, and has broken below a rising trend line. Short positions below 0.7780 are favored with 0.7710 and 0.7680 in extension. Onto the Bitcoin dollar intraday. As long as 11,145 is the support, look for 12,356, while in precious metals, gold intraday sees the upside prevail, and that's in focus. Gold remaining on the upside, supported by its rising moving averages. Long positions above 13,1950 are favored, with targets at 1330 and 1334 in extension. And lastly, silver supported by a rising trend line. Don't forget to follow Trading Central on Twitter and other social media networks for all of your Forex market updates. And for Trading Central Web TV from the New York Stock Exchange on a Monday morning, I'm James Winning.